on, fireworks! We're here in condo. Ayan siya, guys. Oh my gosh. Sa harap lang siya ng condo, no? Fireworks. Ayan siya, guys. Do you have my stabilizer? Do you have the black one? Where is it? The black one. Ayan, guys. Portugal versus United Kingdom fireworks. Grabe yung traffic ko. So,
all this traffic is for?
I guess so. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Look at that. Sa MOA ito siya, guys. Sa seaside. Ang ganda ng ano namin, spot namin. Talagang tapat, harap na harap siya, guys. Sa fireworks. Diba? What's that, baby? Sa MOA ngayon, guys. Mall of Asia. How we know if it's the Portugal? Is there a sign earlier? Yeah, it's supposed to be Portugal versus United Kingdom, but how we know if it's the United Kingdom or Portugal? We should tell, so we can guess which one is better.
I just want to know why the game's here.
How? Where do you see? Where do you see?
Where do I see what?
The game.
You said it was here. You just put them apart right there.
Oh yeah.
But Portugal, that's in Europe. Why did they keep on going? That makes no sense.
I guess that's it. Where's the rest? Oh, there are more. Oh wow, cool. It's a Mall of Asia. That's cool. Oh, do you see those?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Guys, you guys. Grabe, ang ganda pa siyang fountain. It's like a fountain, right?
Yeah.
Wow! Dude! I don't know where's JR now. Can I have your phone so I can message them? supposed to be here now.
I put them there, I think.
Oh, nice. No. I am. Oh, get it. Oh my goodness. Should I? Oh, ba? Para siyang 4th of July in America. But we are in a good spot right now. Wow! May sunshine. Sobrang traffic day. Oh, cool! Look at that, how beautiful it is. I guess that's UK. See the flag? UK! Yeah, that's the UK. Red, forgot now. Hello, today. Ito nangyayari yan sa Mall of Asia, guys. Branson! Look, Mama! Hi! Wow, ganda. Oh, ate, ang ganda, te. Ganda ng condo din namin dito. Tagang harap na harap kami. Wow! Ganda. Oh.
It's a hell of a show.
Ah. How long is this?
That one. Whoa, it's a jellyfish. It's a jellyfish.
I need to call JR. I don't want them to mess. Whoa, jellyfish. You see that?
Oh, those are
That, I guess that's a Portugal. It's a green.
huge.
It's a Portugal. What is the flag of Portugal, love? Did you know? The color? Tinan mo naman, ganda ng balcony namin, guys, no? Hey, they have a light here. We can have a light.
No.
You don't want a light?
Why?
Okay, I'm gonna get my stabilizer a minute. Hey, guys. Saglit lang muna, guys.
Fireworks.
Oh, okay. Kunin ko muna yung ano ko, guys, yung kapagod na ako maghawak ba? Meron ako ditong ano, guys. Yung maghahawak ba? Where is your phone? Hi, Papa. Ganda day, oh. I know, Mama. They're watching. We have 5 people, anak. Can you hold this?
I can hold this. Hello, the beautiful people of the Philippines. It's a very good show.
Be careful, my phone. Stay away there. I don't want my phone. Stay away there. You don't have a phone in your pocket, right?
No.
Where do you put, you know?
It's down there.
Okay. Kaya mo, please na. Put my phone under this.
You hold it then. I'll find my phone.
Okay, hold on. Ang ganda niya, Day. Ngayon, sobrang traffic na sa MOA. Oh. My stabilizer, so I'm just gonna put it in the table. The black one. Hey. Oh my goodness. Look at that, spreading everywhere. Hey. Hey.
I gotta see it from there. You have all these bars in the way.
I'll figure out. Here. You need to change. Sobrang traffic na sa MOA dayo. Can you hold this? And message. Hold this so I can message JR. You can change
And I think that's it. I think it's over now. I think that's the end, guys. Thank you for watching.